Welcome to the Love Vegan Kitchen, and today we're going to make a very easy Panang Thai curry. I'm going to keep it very simple, down to just a few ingredients. We're going to have 1 red pepper, a couple of carrots, some tofu, some Oroidi coconut milk. We're using a Samui curry paste, and then to finish off our sauce, we're going to add some palm sugar, some salt, and a little bit of Thai basil. So we just prepped our red pepper into little squares, keeping the veg pretty chunky. There we go. Next up, carrots. So for the carrots, I'm going to use this peeler. Gives the veg quite a nice aesthetic. So as you can see, this serrated peeler gives a really nice texture to the carrots. It just makes them look a bit more interesting in your dish. So we're just going to chunk our carrots up. So that's our veg prepped. We've got our carrots chopped, our peppers chopped, our tofu ready, all of our little bits ready to go into the curry. So we're going to jump over to the hob and get cooking. First up, we're going to add our oil to the pan. I'm going to go for a couple of tablespoons. To our pan, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of paste per person. So we've got about 4 teaspoons and a little extra to taste in here because we like it a little bit stronger. And we're just going to excite the flavors and the spices, just bring them to life in the pan before we add the coconut milk. Okay, just going to bring the flavors of these spices out. As soon as you start to smell all those lovely flavors, then we're ready for the coconut milk. We're going to add in 1 can of Oroidi coconut milk. Putting the can aside just for a moment, we're going to top this up with a little water because the coconut milk is pretty thick. First, we're just going to dissolve all of these spices into the milk. Oh, it smells so good. So our spices are just about blended in with the coconut milk. So I'm just going to top up a little bit of water to make this go further. There we go. There we go, you can see our milk is just coming up to temperature, so we're going to add in our first lot of veggies. So carrots first. These are going to go in for 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes, so we're going to add our red peppers and our tofu. We're going to give that another 5 minutes just to let all those flavors soak into the tofu, soften up those peppers. So just while we're waiting for the peppers and tofu to cook, we're just going to try our sauce and see how much sugar and salt we need to add. Let's get a little bit. Oh, that's good. That's really good. So we're going to add in a little bit of palm sugar, and then because we don't have fish sauce because it's vegan, we're going to add a pinch of salt in there, and then just let everything melt in and keep tasting it just so you balance that spice, sweet and salt. So while our curry was cooking, we just prepped some rice really quickly. Curry's done, rice is done, so we're ready to dish up and it's time to eat. So we're going to use one of our little prep dishes here. Pop our rice in. There we go, yeah. If you're using metal ones, do mind your fingers, they do get very, very hot. Into your bowl, and then there's your little rice mountain. We'll do a couple more of these, and then we're ready to serve. So curry and rice is all ready. It's time to dish up and eat. This is the bit I'm worst at. Presentation skills. Terrible. So there we have it, one easy vegan Panang ready to eat. We've got some very hungry crew behind the camera, so time to say goodbye. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.